Please.
So in my opinion, if a person who wants to marry someone, he first confirm that other one have the same feeling like
Excellent.
he has. And he has to confirm that in private, like he has. We don't have to do that in public.
It should be got confirmed privately, mashallah.
After confirming that both of them have the same feelings, then they have to involve the family as soon as possible.
Okay.
To get that marriage.
Excellent. After that, no, whatever these people were saying, it should be the same.
Yes.
My question, no, you were talking about that it should be got confirmed, no, privately. So what do you mean by privately?
Privately mean we have mobile phones. We have, social media, so we can contact them.
Okay.
Privately means one-on-one. That nobody know about that relation. That's not official relation on that time. So they just have to confirm on social media.
No, but my question is still over there. That in order to have a contact on mobile number, you need to have the mobile number of that person. Yes. So how can we have that number?
So if you really want someone, you will suffer for that, to get that number from wherever he can.
That if you fall in love with someone, or if you have started fascinating someone, or if you have started fancying someone, then you can arrange these things. But keep in mind that no embarrassment of that person. No. Do it in an ideal way without no hurting feeling of that person. Excellent. Great.
First of all, as we all are Muslims, we have limitations when a boy wants to meet with girl, and it's on us to maintain these limitations.
Excellent.
So I strongly agree with the arguments of
Dr. Umar. Okay.
That we have to first send our parents.
Okay.
And to discuss with them.
Okay.
But as I'm sitting in IELTS class.
Okay.
And if we go abroad.
Okay.
And there we like someone.
Okay.
So there it's not possible.
Okay.
To send our parents.
Okay.
Because if their families are settled there.
Okay.
Families are settled different cities.
Okay.
So you first inform your parents and then ask girl to tell their parents.
But in both cases, what would I understand? Now, this is a great point. Now, there's a few points I would like to draw your attention now towards them. In both cases, it's the couple, the boy or the girl, that is to initiate. Yes. And he's of the point of view that it should be initiated privately. And you are also of the same point. You said not openly. And what is the apprehension in your mind that it can cause embarrassment? Whether you are in Pakistan or whether you are abroad, wherever you are, it's you to initiate. Yes. And what else I could understand from the talk of all of you, that it's we to involve the families that are fancy or liking it should be that expressed before the parents know.
Yes,
and the marriage should know that all the arrangements should be made by the parents. What could understand? And one more thing, keep in mind it's a beautiful point he said. He said that as we are Muslims, that asking for the consent, what's the word? Consent. It's obligatory. The parents should always ask their children whether they are willing for the marriage or not.
Yes.
If they are not willing, the marriage cannot take place. So I do agree the consent should be ensured. If the parents take the scene as you're talking about, if the parents initiate the talk, if the father sees that the daughter of someone's or if he or sees the son of someone's, or the mother sees, and so on, so they should first get consent of their children. What could I understand? Yes. Anything else?
Instead of living in haram relationship.
That's called fornication. Living of man and woman as a husband and wife without legal relationship. This is called fornication. In the world, we see that so many people are living with this relationship, but in Islam, it's haram. Islam asks to go for marriage by declaring it, by letting the society you are living in that you are a husband and wife. Excellent. Please. Anything else?
That's all.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you, sir. I would agree with all the points that the colleagues have discussed.
Okay.
But I would like to add one thing, that in our society, it's a culture that if a person tells his family that I want to marry a person or
okay,
they just go and ask the parents for marriage if they themselves agree. But if when they see a girl, they say she's fat or ugly or whatever the perception they made in mind.
True.
According to my personal opinion, they should first declare it in their family and decide it personally.
Okay.
Whether they want to send the message to the family or not.
Okay.
Because in our society, even I've seen families in every week they get a message from other people that they want to marry their daughter.
Okay.
But after they meet, they don't send any message to them.
Okay.
Because in today's world, nothing is hidden. If you want to get information about any person, you can get through any relatives or any social media account of the person.
Excellent.
There.
True.
Each and everything about his nature is present at this account. The point I want to say is that first get confirmation from your own house.
Okay.
Then send message to that person. Otherwise, they will get embarrassed about it.
I love my son. It's a beautiful point. Before the visit, they should make sure that they are serious and they know each and everything about the person they are going to carry this proposal for. Clear? If they visit the house and if they see the girl, even they see the boy, and they come back rejecting them, so it shall cause serious result for the life of those that young people, whether that's a boy or that's girl. Excellent. And he also told us that knowing about that person, the young person, male or female, boy or girl, it's very easy nowadays. There are so many social platforms nowadays. Facebook is there, Instagram is there, and so many and it takes no time to know about that. There's you can say profile is there and you can go through and even know that you can come to know about which institute that person was over there, which sector or mohalla or town or area that person is living, what kind of that the friends or companion that person has, or which area yeah, he or she loves to shop and so on. No? So all this record can be seen very easily. Excellent, better. Really very impressive. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
I
would like to add one more thing, that first we have to look about the lifestyle of the person we are going to marry.
Okay.
And the similarities and differences among the culture of
Okay, true. We have discussed all these things in detail in the previous videos. Today's question is, how should this proposal be made? No? How simple that is. Excellent.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Sir, firstly, I want to say I am completely agree with the all points of my colleagues.
You are completely agree or you are completely agreed?
Agreed.
I agree with. I am agreed with. Clear? I am disagreed with. Or I disagree with. Clear? And there are three ways now. Agree with, or agree at, or agree to. I request you to see the difference and it's you share your understanding of the difference. Agree with, agree at, and agree to. Let us know over here, in the same class. Please.
Secondly, according to my thought, if